How to fix WhatsApp call connecting problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp call connecting problem on Android phone. First, go to settings and then apps, and now apps again, and here type WhatsApp and you will find it. Click on it and then go to storage and clear cache, and then go to permissions. Allow this one here, phone. Click on it and click allow. You will find it here on deny, and then allow microphone and camera. And then if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to WhatsApp and click these 3 points here and click settings and go to storage and data, and here you will find useless data for calls and enable it, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.